Today in this video I would like to tell you about the benefits of garlic. And so, let's get started. Garlic is one of the ancient cultures that people began to use not only in cooking, but also in medicine. The first mention of it originated in Asia. 4,000 years ago, it was grown in Central Asia, Iran and Pakistan. It was a mandatory product in the diet of the ancient Egyptians, and it was also fed to slaves engaged in heavy work to give strength and prevent the occurrence of diseases. One interesting fact is that during the excavations of the ancient tomb of Pharaoh Tutankhamun, garlic heads were found. Medicinal properties of garlic. 1. Helps to get rid of pathogenic microflora in the intestines, improves the secretion of enzymes and the secretion of gastric juice, improves the digestibility of food and accelerates metabolic processes. Garlic is used as a medicine for flatulence, colitis and enterocolitis, constipation, inflammation of the appendix. 2. Strengthens the immune system. If you have a cold, runny nose, sore throat, infectious diseases of the upper respiratory tract, including the flu, garlic will be your reliable assistant in the fight against the disease. Also, the active substances of garlic dilute sputum and contribute to its rapid excretion. 3. Heals the cardiovascular system. Reduces the level of bad cholesterol, makes the walls of blood vessels more elastic and thus prevents atherosclerosis, the formation of blood clots, heart attack. It is used for hypertension, reduces the load on the heart, increases the efficiency of the heart muscle and improves blood circulation. 4. Due to the presence of allicin, garlic is able to prevent the development of cancer. The substance removes free radicals from the body, which can negatively affect the cells and provoke their improper development. 5. It is used for diseases of the liver and gallbladder, as it promotes cell repair, dilutes bile and prevents the formation of stones. 6. For men and women alike, garlic is useful for problems in the genitourinary sphere. Thanks to its disinfecting qualities, it quickly eliminates inflammatory processes. 7. It is useful for the normalization of the nervous system and for mental stress. In the elderly, it prevents the appearance of senile dementia and stroke. 8. It is used as an anthelmintic agent. For children, this is the most acceptable method of prevention and treatment. 9. It is worth noting that garlic is used to remove calluses and warts, for baldness, treatment of abscesses and purulent wounds. Thank you for watching the video to the end and you have discovered something useful for yourself. If you liked it, you can put a like and subscribe.